My expectations from today are actually, I expect a lot of fun. So this is a great opportunity for me as a VC to get to actually present, tell my story, share with the companies what I'm looking for, what I'm interested in, and for me that's a lot of fun. But events like this are extremely important because they're a channel that a lot of people don't have access to. The other channels are able to come through and connect with us as VCs. It's very important to demystify capital. For me, the main reason is what most people, including VCs, forget is that we're in the services business. My job is to provide capital and competence and resources for companies so that they can succeed. If they're not able to succeed, then I'm not able to succeed. I'm such a big fan of Arjun's event and the whole team is because, again, they help shape the context for both the VC and the entrepreneurs in understanding that this is a business for the VCs, that they are providing a service. I think Capital on Stage is the best event in venture capital.